As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
All right, guys, listen. We got the third time coming in here. Okay, let's see if we can get ready to rock. We're gonna try again, guys. We're gonna beat this Rogers system. There we go. Third time's a charm, guys. Let's get ready to rock here. So I apologize about this. There's really nothing I can do about it. All right. Okay, so we're gonna look at Goldie here. Gold is at 1621K. All right, guys. So we just went through this red folder news. That's, I guess, the shock to my internet that happened here. Now we're rolling on this 8:30 news rate you got going on here. Okay. Unemployment claims, and we got the Mr. Bailey speaking. So GU and gold are going to be making some serious moves, guys, in the next 5-10 minutes. I can guarantee it. All right. So let's watch and see here. Let's do some top downs. Gold is selling off here after a nice buy from 21. Look good. Okay. GU is breaking down here. Okay. You can still see it's filling that wick. All right. Still continuing in the downtrend, guys. All right. So it's really important for us to monitor these accordingly and see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to focus on gold here. Let's get down to some top down. And we're going to go to the daily. Nasdaq volatile, guys. Of course it is. Okay, this is on the daily here, guys. So let's get ready to rock. Doing a daily resistance. And then we got some daily support level here. Okay. Okay, nice resistance level. Go to the 4-hour now. Okay, got some 4-hour resistance coming in. Let's see just how we're going here. Okay, to the left, we got a little bit of support forming. Okay, after the wick, you got the hold. Okay, nice RSI here, not overbought just yet. So we got 4-hour support here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Okay, check out this big impulsive opportunity here. Now you got the resistance pushing back down. Okay, and then let's take a look at our 1-hour support just under it, guys. I'm going to only stick with probably gold and probably Nasdaq or US 30. Okay, and we're going to take a peek at this 15 now. Okay, nice 15-minute resistance, guys. Okay, and you can see we're still pushing back down, okay? We're in that 15-minute support level here. Okay, let's go to the 5. Okay, so we got a nice little push-pull here. Okay, so we're at 16.19. Let it start to play. We're going to take a look at Nasdaq one quick second here. I just want to see the consolidation that we're in. Nice continuation in sells here. All right, beautiful price movement. Let's maybe make up this. Okay, GU is still melting down. Okay, and we can see gold. Everything is still selling off right now, guys. Okay, so still melting down. What's my position now? The only one I was in the gold and GU buys. I was in GU until we had the news, then I closed it off. And then Goldie, it did run for me. And I caught these nice big movements right here at 1621. I was in from the bottom around 1617. Let me actually see it here. 1620 and then 1617 were my positions. Okay, so today I'm up 900 bucks. All right, so we're going to watch and see how price is going to move based on everything else. Okay. So 841. Okay, let's go take a look at the DXY here. GU is just falling, guys. Free fall. Okay. Look on the daily on GBPUSD. As soon as we did that top down, look at what we have here. Nice bearish movement. All right. This is the last candle before that news, and see what happens here. Boom. Even breaking our once daily level support. That's where we once had it before this stream kicked us off. Okay. And you can see we're starting to probably fill this this wick here. And take a look real quick. You can see from the bottom. Okay. This is what we have forming here. That's the break. As soon as that trend line was broken, support, 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 trend line break, that was the free fall to the bottom. Okay, and that's why we're getting this continued crazy selling momentum on GBPUSD, leading into, you know, probably the nice wick fill potentially on the daily. All right, and then we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow during NFP for GBP USD. Okay, so that's on the 15. We're not going to focus too much on this, guys. I really wanted to just flip there before we check out the DXY. Yeah, there's the DXY, guys, tapping that 113 mark. That's crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. NFP has tomorrow at 8:30, but this is the continuation from FOMC. All right. So I know the stream kind of like lagged out a bit a couple times, so I'm not really gonna get too much trading in here, guys. Like it's gonna mess with my psyche if we want to push and get something into it. We just force it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna wait until like 9:30 now. All right. I'm gonna follow my rules here. You can see gold is looking pretty good on the 5-minute for a 1621 buy. Okay, we're now starting to push up here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so nice. Jeff, it's NFP, bro. You can't get MetaTrader 4 on empty iPhone anymore. I know, it's crazy. You get CTrader, which is not bad, but just maybe flip over to an Android, you know. Okay, so nice big rejection at that 15-minute, coming back down. Okay. Bailey's comparing certain stats to preceding recessions. He's actually admitting we are in a recession now. Well, he can't deny it anymore in terms of the Bailey speaker. You can only deny it for so long, and then when the economy really shits the bed, then you realize how corrupt these people are. They do not want to. That's like me telling you guys this. Let's all, buy gold, okay, which we did. Before the call, I was in gold, and it started to run. And then after, it hit break even, and they're like, well, it's not, hitting break even here. It's just going into, a little bit of drawdown, and eventually, we're going to recover. But it's, they're just making it's a making of excuse because, you know what I mean. There's a lot of issues happening in the world right now. So, but with that being said, I think the recession is going to continue, guys. But again, but really, who knows? We're coming to like the last quarter, last seasonality before the new year. So it'll be interesting to see how the new year comes. But from what we're starting to see with the FOMC meetings and everything like that, you understand that, right? We are in for a shitstorm. Nasdaq is in no longer in. If we go to it, we're no longer in that 11,000 anymore. We're in the 10,000 range, which this has been predicted for quite some time, you know. And price doesn't lie. Price action does not lie. All right, it's still continuing in the trend. So, yeah. Let's take a look now. I want to wait until, we got 15 minutes, guys. There's really nothing anyone can do at this time. If you want to jump in, right, just understand that there's a lot of volatile time coming up at 10 o'clock as well as 9:30. We haven't really even gone over that. I was kind of hoping the stream didn't shit the bed before all this happened. All right, but you can see we have 10 a.m. the ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, so the rest of it, and there's nothing until tomorrow, guys, which we have at 8:15 NFP. And everything after this last red folder, guys, during the day, it's going to be consolidated. Okay, it's going to be very, very problematic and a lot of head fake action here. So let's just continue. Look at gold, guys, starting to sink off. You have an account on with an EA that has open lots on gold buys. I'm going to assume that it's a martingale layering technique EA. And, you know, just remember your EAs, you're probably not wanting to trade during volatile times, because as much as smart as they are, especially if they're trading for yourself, they don't account for the anomalies that come into the market at that time. Yeah. So, Simone, if I'm going to tell you straight up, just don't let that thing run past this 10 a.m. news. Okay. What are the expectations for CPI? I have no idea. I say that about every folder. Okay, there's gold. When would I enter the market? I already did, to be honest with you. 2 gold buys. That's the only thing I've done all day. And then I had 2 US 30 sells running from small lots from yesterday that I made about 20 bucks on, and then 80 about the other one. So, okay, there's GU guys still selling off here. The market is too strong of sell. Okay, the sell pressure is continuing to a point where you're going to see this thing go to 113, 100, guys. Like, look at this. We're just going to add another one. Another support line and resistance 113.100. And look at that resistance coming in. Okay. Like, this is some serious stuff. Look what we got going on here. But look at that long wick. Okay. Tells a story. That's from that 110.500 that happened. I do believe this was, yeah, that was at 2 p.m. That was the initial impulse move before FOMC yesterday, right? And then ever since then, you can see the dollar index has just rocketed. Okay, and then Nasdaq finding a little bit of support here. Look at gold, guys. It's on the 15-minute. Okay, let's take a look at the 5. Okay, I want to see 121 here, how we're going to respect this level. 1621. Okay, we're going to make that a little thicker here. Okay, nice rejection coming at 1621. Okay, so I'm going to see on Goldie here if we're going to get that resistance level. Okay, Looks like a head and shoulder pattern. We'll watch and see here, 1621. Okay, nice support and resistance down there, guys. Still continuing, all right, to get rejected. I want to see the last 5-minute candle here, and then we're going to flip to that new hourly, all right, the 9 a.m., which will focus on probably the Dow Jones, okay? Okay, so if this closes above, guys, I will take a look at 1620, 1621 buys, okay? Can I sing? I don't know about singing here. If you want to hear some singing, guys, look at Harry Mack. He's the man. Okay, so look at the rejection coming below. Sing for gold. I'd rather just wait till the 9 a.m. for gold and not have to sing. Okay, so let's see here. Nice rejection coming here. All right. Just under 30 seconds, guys. Gundam, you got that trade idea that was sent? I didn't personally send it. It was one of our moderators. So, but it's from our system, guys. All right, that thing ran over at least 450, 500 pips, depending on where you got in. And if you took the reentry, okay, so look at the rejection coming at 1621, guys. Too choppy for me right now. Here's that new last 5-minute candle before the new hourly. I feel bad, guys. I can't ask for any likes today because the internet crapped out. Oh, look at that flex, guys. You can see we're in that buying area right around here. Let's see if we're going to hold. Too choppy. Let's take a look at the Dow real quick. Nah, too choppy too. Oil's very oil was moving nice, but not the big moves like we normally saw in oil. And you can see gold is getting rejected, pushing back down. Okay, probably getting to that 16, 17 level. Okay, so breaking down slowly. Okay, I think we're still going to be in sells here for a little bit, guys. I think the DXY is still going to pump up. I think we're going to tap that 113. We're going to tap it 113, 100. guys, still holding here. I think we're going to get down to that 1600 level eventually, guys. I really think we are. There goes GU. There goes gold, guys. This thing is going down hard to the daily. If it retests this daily level again, guys, we are in for Asia. There it goes, guys. Let's see. This thing's going to 1600. Okay, I can almost tell you that right now. If it's going to break that daily. Adam C, what amount do you recommend withdrawing here? I started with 300, made 1,000. It's up to you, man. You know, it's really up to you what you want to do. Maybe treat yourself to a nice sushi date, or oh, there we go, guys. There goes that sell. Oof, we are still breaking down. Okay, it's still punching. Everything's selling off, guys. We're going to get gold down to this daily level. I can almost guarantee it. Okay, here's the 9 a.m. guys. So if we break above that 1621 on gold, I will be taking a buy. All right, if we're going to sink off, I'm not really looking for sells right now continuing. If it does, guys, let it do its thing here, but I am holding these possible gold buy opportunities coming. If they don't get at that level, I'm not even going to touch it. Okay, so let's go look at the gold higher time frame. New 4-hour candle is just opening here. This could be spicy, guys. If this thing dumps here, this thing is going for a shit storm. Look at this. Daily. Oh my goodness. This is, yeah, I'm not really touching anything right now. Like this, it's at a critical level for sells for sure. Like continuing to the drop at least to 1615, 1614 area. Okay. And if gold drops below here, guys, like we are in for a crazy fall. Okay, back to 1600, which you know we haven't seen 1600, guys. Let's go take a look at this. When was the last time we saw 1600 on gold? Do you guys remember? Let me just take a peek here. I got 1500. Where's that 1600 level? 1600 right in here. April 2020. Yeah, right at the beginning of the pandemic, guys. Yeah. Right around this level right here. So we have almost made a full retracement coming back down. This is gold on the daily chart, guys. 2075 was always the high. All right, and now we're at that critical support level. All right, this is gonna be fun, man. Mr. Ken, you predicted January 3rd. Congratulations, guys. If you guys predicted this, that's good. But the thing is now, what did you do about your predictions? Did you guys take up trading? Did you guys, start to, invest in gold shorts? Did you guys start to buy gold? Predictions are good because technical analysis can help you with that for sure. Okay. But it's like, what can we do with these predictions to help us for our future? That's what we are looking for. Okay. So 903, guys, I'm just sticking on gold until 905. All right. And then I'll be heading back. Oh my goodness, guys, gold. I just cannot believe where we are at on gold right now. Minhao, so do I. Yusuf, I remember we're 2075, bro. I still have a lot of faith in gold to at least maybe get back to 2000, not 2000, obviously that's a far ways away, but maybe 1650 in the next few months. But if not, this thing's gonna be a bad storm. Okay, guys, I did a small buy here from 1618. That's just me, though. I don't suggest you guys do and focus on your overall analysis for 930. Let's just watch and see here. Give me 1 second. Okay, 1 sec, guys. Gotta plug in this computer here. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I knocked off the, I went to reset the router and I knocked out the computer charger. I just noticed that. Imagine that thing died. Oh my god, what a day that would be. How much for the jacket? Guys, this is a Buffalo Sabres jacket. I actually went to the game last night. They won. I don't know if you guys saw them. They came back. They beat Pitt. I was really happy about that. Okay, guys, here we go. 3 minutes and 50 seconds here. Let's watch and see. Oh, there goes gold, guys. Let's see here. So let's give us a mark here, guys. move that over. All right, so got a nice downtrend here. It's good. 907 here. It's looking good time. We have some nice wick rejection to the downside here. GU slowly retracing a bit, not much, guys. It's still down pretty strong here. So like, just remember, let this first 5-minute play out here. Let's go take a look at Nasdaq. Okay, GU is getting a little bit of recovery here. All right, not much. It's still going to be in that sell, but look at the DXY, guys. Look at this. Remember that new hourly candle? Okay, the 9 a.m. our target was 113,100. Okay, and you can see now how important that level was. That is the key rejection level that we I'm not seeing much correlation just yet. Like the DXY is selling off, but GU is actually making some retracement. Gold is pushing up now. So let's see what's going to happen here. Okay. But guys, listen, regardless if you took a trade today or you're just chilling, whatever it is, okay, like I'm telling you right now, tomorrow is the big one. This is the finale. Well, it's the start, but it's the finale of the week. NFP. Okay, you guys got to understand that. All right, these moves, they're not going to be as big as what you're going to get tomorrow. Okay, so my suggestion is always watch for whole numbers here. Okay, all right. So you're going to say, what's another psychological number? Psychological 113. Okay, let's see how we're going to get respected here. If we're not going to trade much today, I'd rather just focus on some fun stuff, just to show you guys what key levels are coming into play here. So, they don't respect it 100% of the time. Okay, look at this, guys. See, they broke above it and they pushed it back down. See how they pushed above it, wicked back down, and pushed down. Okay, and then take a look, rejection, and then they find the support. So when we're trading, guys, like I said, I am always looking for these key levels. All right, especially on the DXY. Okay, because this dollar index is very, very, very important just for all of the trading that happens no matter what in the day. Okay, guys, look at this. Let's go see. Are we going to get the gold opportunity here? I can see the DXY probably getting back down to at least this level here, which is going to be 112,900 if we're going to break down. Okay, and look at this as well. Look at that support level they held, and now we're going to just see if we're going to break these levels on wicks here. Okay. Ooh. Let's see if it can happen, guys. I'm running 19 pips from 1618 personally. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if we're going to get this push. All right. I'm running 30 pips, guys. Yes. Okay, now we're coming to that 15-minute resistance level here. See if this thing's going to pop. How many years have we been trading for? A few. $34 pips, guys. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, look at now all the indices as well, guys. Look at GBP USD starting to get a nice little float. All right. See Goldie here, guys. If if you didn't enter on that trade, it's okay. Just sit back and watch here. You can see there's a lot of resistance coming at that 15. We'll probably get a little bit of a retest, guys, if it's going to get rejected here. Why did I enter gold at 16.18? Right down here. If I look to the left structure, okay, that's a good question. You can see the engulfing candlestick happened, all right, and we're in a little bit of buying momentum here, all right. Buying momentum coming in at the bottom here, all right, and you can see that big green level, that demand, all right. Let's see if we can get continuing, guys. I'm a big believer that maybe this will punch up to at least maybe 16. Let's see a couple wick rejections to the left here. 16, maybe 23, maybe 24, 25, and around this area here. And I say maybe because I want to see how it's going to close above this current resistance on the 15-minute. What time frame are we trading on? This would be the 5-minute here, okay? On the 15-minute, you know it's good when the YouTubers start sticking up for you, and it's just clearly stated there. It's okay, guys. I don't mind playing mama for the day. Okay, look at that resistance level, guys. Remember we talked about the 15? Okay, this is going to be 9:15 coming in here too. Remember we talked about this, 30 seconds. 15-minute resistance at the 15-minute candle. Okay. Huge push down rejection coming in on the 15-minute. Okay. So watch this 9:15, guys. Okay. 9:15 here. Look at how important. Let's watch and see this overall, few minutes opening up. And let's take a look now at the news we got coming in here. All right, remember we talked about 10 a.m. We got 15 minutes until that 9:30. Okay, so I'm just going over this again for people who are, a little new to the stream. Always watch your news. Okay. All right, let's go take a look at that DXY real quick. Okay, look at this. All right, look at how it's respecting, guys. See, 112,900. Wick down here, find that level of previous support, pushing back. Okay, and now we're retesting that 113. Okay, guys, so we're coming to the new indice time here. Okay, guys, getting pushed back down. I might get even stopped at a break even on this at 16.18. We'll watch and see here. 1618.5. All right. What I said is stop below the daily. I actually always move my stuff to break even. I'd rather just pay commissions rather than losses. Why buy when gold is overall bearish? That's a good question here. Okay, you see that micro movement? Okay, from right here, where I was in 1618.5, which I just got stopped out, guys. Okay, that amount of pips, look at that. That's about 30. Okay, I was up about 200 bucks, didn't secure. Okay, came back down and hit break even for me. All right, straight up. Okay, so now we're going to see, are we going to respect this level again? Okay, or are we actually going to break down and maybe make this a head and shoulder pattern here? Okay, shoulder, head, secondary shoulder, big drop continuation here. All right, so let's watch and see. And to answer that question about the buys, all right, you don't need to be on crazy high time frames, okay, to get pips. When we talk about this, it's scalping, okay, and right in the title it says 5-minute scalping. Okay, so if you're not familiar with what scalping is, guys, okay, maybe this is a good time. 9:18 here. We'll go for one quick second. This is good because there's a lot of new people on here. Trust me. What does scalping mean in trading? Okay, let's find the best one here. Scalping is a trading style, and this is from, I don't know, Investopedia. Scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and making fast profits off of reselling. Okay? Scalping requires a trader to have a strict exit strategy, which I didn't have an exit strategy. I was looking for the breakout, but my exit strategy was having my stop loss at break even. Okay? That protected me from potential drop and losing. You see what I'm saying? All right? So have a strict exit strategy because one large loss could eliminate many small gains the traders work to obtain. And this is what happens all of the time. Okay. Most people, they're not a big believer in scalping. Okay. They do not believe that you can trade on the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5 minutes, which is just simply not the case. All right. You can absolutely do it. It's just they want to be on a safer time frame. Okay, when they can see better market structure in terms of the movement. When scalping, guys, there's a lot of noise that comes into play here. A lot of noise, which means a lot of head fakes. Okay, but again, when you can find some opportunities to get key levels with entries, you can do some pretty good damage with it. All right, and the key is to never over leverage. Okay, because I have seen it so many times where people are up maybe 2, 3, 4% on the day, and then within one trade, they're down 1%, 2%, right? And it's something that you want to be very cautious about. So let's go take a look at this DXY here. Let's see if we pushed right back up, guys. GU is just now in some consolidation after the big news. Okay, and look at this. Here we go. We're going to tap that 113.100. Scalp of the heads, I guess. Okay, so what are you guys feeling like? Do you guys want to do the Dow Jones, or are you feeling Nasdaq, or what are you guys thinking right now? Let's see some comments in here, guys. My stream, the internet actually picked up its pace here. So let's see here what we got going on. Okay, guys, we got about literally 159 likes here. Because I came back on the stream 3 times, all right, I'm going to choose one of these instruments, but let's see if we can pump these likes up to 300 for me, and then we'll choose what we're going to do, okay? It's 100 likes for every try that screwed up today. All right. None are moving at the moment, I know, but you're going to see some probably impulsive movements coming in at the market open, and then that 10 a.m. news is going to be all eyes on, okay? Okay, so very patient here. Let's go take a look at gold and we'll watch. Fantastic stream, guys. Just wait till tomorrow, okay? Just wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm feeling very, 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 very confident about NFP. Very confident. I think the Dow Jones is going to have a fantastic move that we're going to catch. Okay, I'm just reading some of the stuff we got going on here. Brad, I don't know about a rocket up here, but I will let you know tomorrow morning. I will be streaming live NFP on YouTube, guys. Yes, I will be streaming live NFP on YouTube. And it's going to be fun. If Rogers will let me stream, yes. The key barrier here is Rogers. Rogers. Oh yeah, Brad, absolutely. I will never leave you guys. Absolutely. Rude Jerry, I personally choose to stay away from news after blowing my account 4,500 yesterday, which makes sense, okay, because it's probably a little bit scary for you after making that much of a loss. The news is definitely something that you want to stay away from if you're not confident in it and you just don't understand the volatility of it. Okay, so. All right, guys, 240, almost here. Let's see if we can get 5 minutes. Let's see if we can tap those 300 likes. Guys, I also want to give a shout out to Bookmap, who's streaming live crypto right now. All right, here. So I'm feeling more of the Dow. All right. If gold taps again, like I said, I have one more opportunity, 1618 coming in here. I will enter in again, 1618.5 if it gets closure above. Okay, if not, this thing is going to, probably sink. I have to say you're the best, the godfather of FX. I am absolutely not the godfather of FX, guys. I'm just some guy who likes to trade live. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. I'm looking for maybe these opportunities on the Dow buys here, but we'll watch and see. Okay, we'll watch and see. All right, let's try to find a whole number here. Okay, that looks pretty critical to me. 319.75. All right, let's just watch. Let's see if gold is going to push. All right. What is your TP scalping for gold? Yeah, around 15 to 20 pips, guys, for sure. That last one on gold, I just got a little greedy, and I should have secured it. All right. Absolutely, I should have secured that. Okay, so let's maybe watch this on the 15-minute. See a little bit more room for noise. Okay, a little bit of divergence here. Okay, a little bit of hold. I want to see one thing before we move forward here. Okay, one thing. See the critical level that I just did, 319.75. Okay, look at the wicks. We haven't really got a continuation below it yet. There's just been a wick. Okay, and we're at a pretty nice area here for the opportunity to continue. So this is what I wanted to see here, if price is going to start making its moves towards the upside. And I just want to draw a quick little line here and then get ready to go. Okay, so if you new guys, don't trade the 930, maybe wait 5-10 minutes. No risk more than 1%. Use stop loss and trailing stop when applicable. Okay. So let's see if the Dow is going to be maybe a push continuation here. All right, maybe filling this wick, and we'll watch and see how this move is going to go. Okay, let's just watch. If not, this thing is going to get rejected hard. See, look at the rejection pushing down already. This is a seller's market, guys. We are continuing like crazy. All right, nothing closed above, guys. And watch, here we go. Okay, so let's open this up here. 30 seconds, guys. Here we go. Start your engines. If you're new, guys, just sit back and relax. Your spreads are going to go nuts right now, guys. Just FYI. Spreads are going to go crazy, so just understand this, please. If you don't feel comfortable, just sit back and relax. Okay? So we're breaking below that trend there. Nothing broke above. Okay? Still selling. Okay, a little bit of demand down in here. There, yeah, this thing, you guys, still looking bearish. Okay, and here we go. All right, and it's still looking pretty. Yeah, guys, this thing is telling. This thing is getting rejected for now. Watch the first 5-minute close, and then we'll watch and see. Okay, this thing is going to dump, I think. Okay, just under 3. Let's take a look at the 15, guys. We're going to take a look at Nasdaq 1 second right after 2. Look at the 15, just nice continuations. Okay, this thing is going to lay down and continue. Yeah, there we go, guys. You can see it start. There we go. There's that sell. Let's take a look at Nasdaq real second. Goldie pushing back down to. Look at Nasdaq. Okay, a little bit of respect here. $31880 is acting as a nice level. 31880 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 is acting as Sherry, be careful. I'd be careful in any kind of move right now, guys. And the reason why is, again, you do have that 10 a.m. red folder news. Today is like one of the worst. You know, if you were profitable on FOMC, this is where they try to take it all back from you. And then NFP is where they try to bleed you dry. All right. So let's just be very cautious here. Very careful with the movements. You are going to get some push pull in both direction. I can almost guarantee you that. All right. It's a big support level here. Remember when we did that top down? Okay. Sorry, not the top down, but remember when we looked at a higher time frame? All right. This was the area. Okay. This was a critical area here. All right. And we're going to see if we're going to get that push. Time to open a short. Okay, let's see what we got going on here, guys. I got guys buying. I got guys selling here. Let's watch and see. There goes gold. Let's see, guys. Ooh, this could be cheeky, guys. Just wait. Give it the first 5 minutes. Okay. If it pops, it pops. Okay. If you miss it, it misses it. But I'd rather just wait, personally. Okay. Look at that structure right there. If we even fill that wick to the left, okay, that'd be a 50 pip move. So the rejection is very strong. Okay. Look at that 31975 area. Okay, you can see how important it is. Let's see now the open and the new candle. Let's see for gold as well. Gold is trying here, pretty strong. Okay, nice rejection coming in. So see that critical level, guys, 31975. Okay, look at how important that is. That's why I said wait for the first 5. Sellers have still taken control of both gold and Nasdaq at this time. What a choppy session so far. I think it would have been better if this stream just died out. But again, what are you gonna do, right? GU is still pushing down, guys. So let's go take a look at that quick DXY. Gold rejected here, nothing close above that 1618 or the 1621. Look at GU still in that consolidation here. Okay, and let's take a peek. Look at this, guys. Look at the hold. Okay. Yeah, there's the retrace. There's Goldie here pushing right back down. And then there's the Dow still pushing. Nothing continuing. Give it a little bit of time here, guys. Do you see how waiting? I said this yesterday too, and I know there's a lot of people who are probably on from yesterday. See how a little bit of patience can go a long way? Let them do their things, guys. This is not what I want it to be. I know, me too, man. I know. I heard a really good saying here, and it involves a little bit of a naughty word, shit. I heard it the best. Okay, it says you can wish in one hand and shit in the other, and see what fills up first. All right, that's what I live my motto with, honestly. Okay, and it's actually one of my coaching mentors said that. All right, so a wish and want, it is what it is, but you cannot control this market, guys. Okay, that's the thing. So especially on like volatile times, okay, especially on volatile times, that's why it's really important for us to just sit back, relax, and watch the overall move, because this thing could, absolutely, guys, all right, this thing could pop off, maybe at 10 a.m. this is going to happen, all right, or maybe in the next 5 minutes. But again, my bias towards this is buying opportunities for at least 20 to 30 pips, all right, and we'll see how it goes. What brand of coffee do I drink, guys? McDonald's. I don't need no rich coffee. I like the basics. Good old Mickey D's. Marcus, I don't even like Tim Hortons, man. I'm not a true Canadian like that. Dunkin' Donuts has good coffee. I've never had their coffee, guys. Try Indonesian coffee? Well, you guys drop us a line and let us know, and maybe I'll try it for sure. Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened here? Spicy, guys. Gold. Let's see if it'll break this 21 level, guys. We need to get this. Okay? Let's see if the Dow is going to follow here. 940 is coming in. Guys, I am running 25 pips from that gold opportunity here. We need to get a close above and continue, okay? That'd be fantastic. Oh, yeah, there we go. Come on, push. This is the key right here. Oh! Ooh. Let's see the Dow here. Oh, guys, come on, come on. Don't be greedy here, guys. I have killed this stream 25 times and it hasn't been good. So let's see what we can do here. I don't want this thing to wick back down, okay? Don't get greedy. I'm out, guys. I'm securing at least 25% of this. Gold is printing right now. Okay? I want to see it got rejected. Where did it get rejected, guys? Let's see here at that 1, 2, 3, 500 level. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's get this pips, guys. 25. I'm running 45 pips on gold. I'm going to share my trade idea with the free FX group, guys, just so you guys can see. Money, money, money. Don't get greedy here, guys. I'm securing on gold, okay? I'm out. I just made up that break even. Stop loss hit, I'm good. And look at the Dow here, still getting rejected, guys. Okay, let's see if we can maybe get that last continuation push here. Where's my little man, Elbin? My man. Little dude made 6K. That guy's my little brother, man. That a boy. You got that demand zone, eh? Look at Goldie, still a little bit of rejection here. Y'all holding US 30 buys. I'm personally out of US 30, guys. Okay, I'm out. Gundam, that's your annual salary. My man just made it, and he's one of our mods, guys. He made it in one trade. Okay, look at that. Oof. Oh, guys, look at that big dirty candle. Oh my goodness. And we're sinking, guys. Look at this. So I told you I secured. But again, it's bouncing in demand. Look at that big dirty wick. Remember we talked about scalping here, guys? 40 pips. Let's see gold now. Oh my goodness, gold closed right below 2, guys. Oh my god. Look at that 45 though. This is the 15-minute candle here. Do you see how, guys, I told you to secure both? Or the reason why I did? I don't like the way the manipulation happens, guys. Okay, do you guys understand? I don't like the way the manipulation happens. Look at Nasdaq selling off here. Man, I already closed profits on US 30 before that sink. Good. Good, guys. That's what I like to see here. That's one person out of maybe 900, 1,000. So, look at this, guys. Then look at the Dow, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Okay, guys, we got 10 minutes until news here. Let's watch this until then. All right. This thing's probably going to retest that level again, and then possibly get rejected and test that demand one more time. The market is crazy. Yeah, it is, guys. As you can see, there's not a lot of streamers who are continuing to stream during this time. Okay, they don't want to. They don't want to be part of it. You know, they're smart. They are, honestly. Taking a break, realizing that tomorrow's the big day, right? They want to secure their accounts, this and that. Look at this, guys, coming in last 5 minute. All right, let's go take a look at gold here too. Game over, guys. This thing's about to rocket. I'm telling you right now, we're going to see gold past 1625. If this thing breaks, we're going. I'll just show you the green box here, guys, just so you guys can see. That's the area that we're looking for. Okay, have your stop loss anywhere around in here. Personally, like I said, I always move to break even. But you can have it at demand, you can have a little bit of this. And this is just the 5 minute. Remember, you're looking for a 15-minute base move too. Okay, you can see what's going on in the 15. This is just pure choppy, nothing much in terms of break, retest, continuation here. It's just impulsive candles. All right, but you know, that's what it would look like on the 15-minute structure. Have your stop loss maybe below demand, okay? And then have your TP maybe 1625, 1630 if it's going to go bullish. All right. Did I open another one on gold? I did not. No, I did not. Okay, so let's go back and watch that Dow. There goes the Dow, guys. Remember, we talked about retesting that overall entry and pushing back down through that demand area, and it's exactly what it's doing right now. And we're continuing in the sell, guys. Look at that. How many pips did I get in the last trade of gold? I made 37 from 1618 to 1622. All right, now news time. There goes gold, guys. Let's see if it's going to push. Oh my goodness, look at how critical that level is. See how they're drawn to that 1621? They are drawn to that like crazy, guys. The Dow is gone. Look at this. She put a fork on her, guys. She gone. All right. Let's look at that hourly 4 hour. Oh, guys, she is selling. Yeah, remember we talked about this? See, that structure? That was the base structure of the sell. If it gets below there, I told you it's going to dump, all right? And you can see, look at that volume base here, guys. This thing is, guys, we're kind of screwed, guys. Not going to lie to you with there's got to be something that's going to save this market here. You know, if not, like, I feel this U.S. recession is just going to be Biden's going to get crucified, man. Like, as much as I don't want to say that live, but this is bad here. All right. Okay. So nice big scalp coming in there. Didn't break above. All right. Still not going to erase or even hold that level. This thing is gone, man. Put a fork in her. She's done. Yeah. This is what happens when you give away millions of dollars to people, trillions of dollars to people, guys. You get it back? Well, you don't get it back. You know who gets it back and who gets fisted? we get fisted, and then the politicians and all the rich get it back. You know, don't ever listen to your financial advisor, guys. Watch the charts. Watch the charts. And you guys can see I'm being more real now, I think, than ever. Okay. And it's because I think people need that more than ever now. All right. But again, just remember, guys. Just remember, okay? We were already in 2008, a big mother of a recession, okay? The housing market crash, a lot of stuff happened. But what happened after that crash, guys? They pumped it to all-time highs, okay? And then they used COVID to pump it even higher, and then they used a lot of other things to start to dump it off. Okay? So just remember right now, this stock market is never going to go away. This market is never going to go away. We are getting things on sale right now. It's just when to time the bottom. Okay? That's the most important thing. All right? When do we time the bottom together? Guys, I've been live almost every single day. I've taken a few weeks off every now and then because mentally I got to get out of here. I'm going blind, guys. Sometimes I see doubles. You know what I mean? I look at the screen, I see two laptops here and four screens, and there's only two and two. You know, so you guys got to understand we need a break, but we're not going to go away. And when things really start to come to play, all right, you know, we'll be ready for this. I'm telling you, we have a whole back history. My man has been streaming in the back end for the last 2 years with me. We have a whole journal. You guys talk about journaling, penciling. You know, let's write I bought here and sold here and I made this many pips. We have live videos, guys, of this every single day. All right? And I'm telling you right now, we will have a huge story to tell on how we watched this market crash happen together. All right? And then how we bought the bottoms together. All right? Because it'll happen. You know, and the people who don't understand it are the people who just are not maybe meant for trading, and they bow out, right? And that's okay, because maybe they want to put their money elsewhere, like they want to put it in Louis Vuitton and Gucci and, you know, Lamborghinis, right? Maybe they want to do that. But I'm looking for more further. I'm looking for generational. You know, I'm looking for my kids' wealth. I'm not looking for the next Lamborghini you can buy, right? So, and I'm being more real now because I think it needs to be said. I've said that a few times, okay? I just want an F-150 truck. That is my truck, and I have lived my goal of getting my dream car. I do not want a Lamborghini. I do not want a Porsche. I do not want anything like that. I have my truck, and I am happier than ever. Yeah. Mike, I don't want to mention your last name, bro. I shit you not, a former work buddy of mine a year ago took out a second mortgage and plotted all on the stocks. He is hurting real bad. Yeah, well, he is not just him hurting real bad, his family's probably hurting real bad. And that's not going to go away, sadly. A Lambo on Canadian roads, weather sounds terrible. Oh my God, you have no idea, bro. The potholes, literally, you wouldn't even have a Lambo. I'm telling you right now. You'd have parts of one. And guys, I don't know. There's about always 700 to now it's growing again. We're getting back to our normal numbers, which we were. All right. But there's people who join in and off, and I don't know who is watching. You know, there's a lot of people who do watch. You know, they understand things. But, you know, for the people who don't really comment and do all that kind of stuff, I just appreciate you joining on here. You're here for a reason, and it happens every single day. All right. But if you guys are with me on the mission that we are trying to create here, we are doing more than just trying to get some pips, you know. Okay, so here, guys, we got about 2 minutes. Okay, there's gold selling off again, guys. Look at this, nothing broke above. And you see why traders, they don't really trade post FOMC. They're kind of smart. you know. Now we're getting some people comment, guys. I don't really comment, I'm just here to learn. That's perfect, man. Guys, still 1621 is going to be my buy area, okay? That's just me. I'm not entering in right now. I'm going to watch this news. But let's see, maybe 1621. Maybe I'll put a small little buy stop on here. Small, okay? 1621. If it dumps off, it dumps off, guys. Not really going to mess with it. We're going to end the stream like that. Still selling. Guys, maybe. Okay, I'm all good, man, and you have an awesome soul, my brother. Well, I appreciate that. I guess I was raised right. Okay, so look at all this choppy shit here. I'm going to erase some of this stuff, guys, just so we can see. All right. I have a buy stop, guys, 1621, small lot size. I'm going to see how this is going to go in about 2 seconds here. Oh, look at that. Just triggered. And I closed out, guys, real quick. Not really going to deal with this drawdown shit anymore. Yeah. Not letting it break above there, guys. Don't get greedy on this. And they're starting to sink this down. Let's see here. Are they going to hold it? No, they're pushing it down, guys. Look at that. $1. Let's see here. Let's see. Actually, I want to see the Dow Jones real quick. Look at that big sell-off, guys, on the Dow. You late with warnings? I think I've said the news is warning pretty volatile every single day, at least probably 20, 30 times. I just don't have it on like a translator, guys. So if you're a different language with me, you know, it could be that. Okay, you would be running almost about 10 pips here, 8, 9, centering in there. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see if we can get that 1624 here. So that was the buy stop here. Oh, guys. Look at the rejection here again. Just a big push back down. So it ran about 15, 20 pips here, still holding. Let's go take a look at it here. What's this data looking like, guys? Let's see. There we go, ISM. Okay, negative. Let's go take a look at the DXY here. Let's see if we can get this breakout, guys. Look at this DXY consolidation. Guys, if you held that buy stop, like you guys understand that it did run. and it's still running here. That's about 27 pips. You're still running maybe about in and out, maybe 16. Okay, you would be wanting 24 pips right now, 25, 26. If you held. Okay, a lot of rejection coming at that 25 area here. Semisolver, I did say I closed the one position, but I will show you the other one. I just shared the other one on FreeFX group, and I'm done. Closed. All right, guys. That was the last call that we're done. Okay, let's go take a look at everything else here real quick. Nasdaq retraced, pushing back up here. Okay, GU's just consolidated. Okay, you can see Goldie starting to reject as well. And then you have the Dow starting to push back up too. Okay. All right, guys, you know what? That's pretty much it here. You know, you can see the rejection happening hard on gold. You can see it happen now multiple times at this level. So that's why I said it was out. If you guys made some pips on there, good. I did say buy stop. If you guys took it, congratulations. If not, you know, just wait until tomorrow for everything to happen and then go from there. Okay. This are bad trades, Brennan. I don't know. A lot of other people are saying they made good pips. So if it's bad trading, then, you know, you can probably find another YouTube channel. Okay. But it's bad trading in general. Okay. So, guys, tomorrow we will resume NFP. All right. I did say today, if you don't feel comfortable trading, you know, don't trade. Okay. But tomorrow we will see you 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. We will probably start a little bit earlier just so we can get everything in our ducks in line for the NFP news. Okay. I'm feeling pretty promising on the Dow and gold. Okay. So we will watch and see how it is. I'm really hoping for a good day tomorrow, guys. Okay, really hoping for a good day. And I'm telling you right now, tune in here. We're going to be doing the Dow and gold tomorrow if you guys want to see some stuff here. And you know what? Even if all the other streamers are doing the Dow, we can do Nasdaq. It doesn't really matter. If you want to do DAX, you want to do oil, it doesn't matter to me. Okay, we can do whatever we want. Not for beginners, Brennan, too emotional. That's a really good point. Okay, I think as a beginner, you need to look at more swing trading first. Scalping has too much noise for you. So I was waiting for you to comment again. So that brings a very good point, guys. So if it's too emotional for you, then just walk away. Okay. Find another streamer, 15, 20-minute trader, you know, and then follow him based on his methods and stuff like that. Okay. But you can apply the same style as 5-minute to your 15-minute. It's all about support and resistance, order blocks, you know, walking up and down stairs, ceilings, floors, different things like that. Okay. So. All right, guys, have a good day. We will see you tomorrow. Later.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, Refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.